Welcome to our Learning Online Laboratory. Today we're going to be sharing with you our tech knowledge updates. What has been the latest in TED, TEDx, and TED-Ed lessons that we are using for the last years. We started using TED Talks in our classroom, using it in Blackboard to engage students, to bring current events. And then we taught professors how to do that, how to embed the videos inside the Blackboard platform, until we came out with our own TEDx FCCJ events. And we have our own speakers, our own audience, our students participating, organizing. We have a club. We have people engaging, several salons. We have live events this week. And now we have professors that are creating their own TEDx lessons. I gave several workshops to professors on how to create a TED lesson using a TED Talk, a TEDx Talk, your own video, and you can see that I already have created several lessons. And now we have a TEDx speaker doing the lesson. How we use this in the classroom to engage students and to expose these students to new ideas of technology? Well, Blackboard discussion in another section, together in a TED-Ed lesson platform. We tested with 2 sections. It was very cool to see a student for different sections participating, engaging, until we brought them to the next level. We took 2 sections and a different class, 3 classes together to discuss one topic based on a TED Talk. They created a discussion outside the classroom using the TED platform, and I think that we were very close to crash the server, because the original platform was not created to this number of interactions. But it was a good experiment. It's part of this laboratory to test these technologies. And then we were very happy to do it, and now teaching other faculty how to do it. For the students, it was a great experience to engage outside of the same classroom and to be with students in another classroom. My next level is to bring it to interact with a student from another university. Let's see how it works. If we can bring our students and work with students overseas at the same time discussing a topic. We have been using our own videos in conferences, and we have been sharing these ideas in the TEDx workshops when we were to Canada and Boston, and also in Colombia, Tecnoaprendizaje in Spanish. And we are now have some interest in go back to give these ideas again in Spanish, and of course also in English. We are moving into blending our travels with TED experiences, attending TED in other countries, to put together something that we call Global Learning News, based in our Global Learning Adventures. We created a new blog with a mix of videos and Instagram and Flickr pictures together with a blog to discuss about current events, use our own videos or TED videos or picture for travel. This is an upcoming workshop about how to use Instagram, hashtags, and Flickr in a classroom. But this is another video. Here we're going to be focusing on how we're integrating all this in what we call social media slides, showing all these videos and slides not in a PowerPoint, not impressive, but in a social media photo album. And this is very cool because all the new generation are now working and learning using social media. Finally, we're going to be sharing with you the cartoon that talks about tech knowledge clouds, how I see the 5 knowledge trends using technology that are connected learning, using social media learning, device-oriented learning, team-based learning, not only inside but outside, bringing all the knowledge to the top of the pyramid of knowledge and being creative, be outside of the box, and finally lead yourself to new levels. Use this outdoor classroom, all these ideas to integrate and create new tech knowledge. You want more? More videos are coming soon to talk about these specific areas.